today, just a little less mundane. Oh.
Okay guys, ito na kami. 9 AM. Inising kami ni Mother Dear. Yes. Do you need all the passport or only one passport? Thank you.
May I have 200 baht? This for the key card deposit.
Cover floor number 1207. The room is non-smoking room and the breakfast time 7 to 10. You can eat here and only voucher. Wi-Fi inside the folder on the table. Up and down you can use the same one. And tomorrow if you would like to clean a room, you can choose makeup room style, the clean color. The housekeeper will be clean for you.
Okay. What floor is it again?
Sorry?
What floor?
12?
12.
1207.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Saan yung elevator? Where's the elevator? Ah, thank you. Hi. Zero 7.
Ilan sa taxi din?
300 times 1.6. Mga ka lang 300, 450.
Kaso lang, sa layo-layo. Ito na siya matawat ang tip.
Oo. Gani ko lang dos. 0, 7. Okay guys, ito na kami. Insert card. Window. Wala kaming view. Yan guys. Bangkok City Hotel. Tubig social. Tapos, TV, table. Social ang coffee nila guys. Yung ilagay dyan Ching! So, may creamer. Creamer sugar. May sleeper, May sleeper. Sige lang, good.
May sandal ka itong pang
Tapos, CR. Uy, may bathtub! May towel, tapos hot and cold shower. May bidet. Ano to? Shower gel. Social mo. Shower gel, shower cup, soap. Ay, tatlong set. So, shower cup. Tapos, another tissue. Then, baso. Kung magto-toothbrush. Buti na lang, nagdala tayo ng toothbrush. Wala. Ay, may shampoo, Shampoo, shower gel. Sa mo. May blower din sila. Do not disturb. Magda-disturb na kami. Tapos, outlet. Ito guys. 1, 2, 3. May safe din sila. Safety box. Sawadika. Then, mga charges. Guys, via Klook, ilagay ko na lang kung magkano siya. Originally, sa Agoda ko siya binook, pero pag-check ko kasi dun sa Klook, mas mura siya. So, sa Klook ko tinuloy yung booking. Buffet breakfast starts from 7 AM to 10 AM. Swimming pool is occasion 5A floor. Wi-Fi, username, password, laundry, coin operate and dryer are available on site 24/7. Oy, may laundry! We also provide iron and iron board upon request. Location 7th floor and 17th floor. Front desk, call 10101. Checkout time is 12 noon. Okay. Hindi ko lang alam para saan yan. Para saan to? Nalagyan siguro ng gamit pang? Ito ba oh? Prang. It's odd. Ah.
Chinese medicine lagi.
Chinese medicine. Chinese medicine. Ay, may basurahan din sa baba, guys.
Detect language. Bakit siya naka-Chinese?
Ano, i-detect niya na kanya?
Gikuan ko lang ba? I-detect language ko lang. Oh, not looking na. Kung Thailand na ako. Chinese medicine.
Yung wifi. Ito yung wifi nila, guys. Bumilis na. Kanina medyo mabagal siya. Pero hindi siya like stable. Siguro kanina masyadong madaming gumagamit. Pero okay na naman ngayon. Nasa 17.50 po. Ah! Ito talaga ang problema, guys, pag may free breakfast. Kailangan mong magising ng maaga para kainin yun. Alas 7 na. 9 a.m. Inising kami ni Mother Dear. Ah! Okay, guys. Yay! That's it. Give me stir-fried pumpkin. Kalabasa mo. Green pepper. Ito isa walang pangalan. Mga bread crumbs. Then painit din. Kakabalik ko lang, guys, pero sila, guys, nakasikan round. Sabi mo, Mang? Kapak. May ganyan pa sila, guys. Arroz caldo. Tikman na. Melon pa rin. Melon.
Yung ano nila kaya, bata pa. Pero matambot.
Yung pinya. Meron yan. Everyday may refill nila pa. Keep flowing drinks, guys. Hot water tea. Tingnan muna natin yung swimming pool sa taas. Tingnan muna namin yung swimming pool, guys. Indoor. Yan Pinaka-simple nila guys. Tapos mayroon ding CR. Okay. Wala ka tao-tao guys. Init guys, init. Init pero ang ganda. Ganda siya, ganda. Guys, pag ang tatay niyo nagpicture guys, para nakatubay to picture.